Пахивает. Погнали. Атакуй.
Hi everybody, you're watching Solux Interactive stream. My name is here is Horror. Yep, and
Hello.
oh, sorry for this. Oof. Yep, today our 36th day. Yay! We're so far from the first day.
Hello.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, it's just amazing. Yep.
It's like an infinity.
Yeah.
One infinity later.
Yep, and just like that, and I must tell you that very soon will be our demo, so 23rd June, August, 23rd August, you know what to do.
January, not January, August.
January.
Oh,
Not
January,
joking.
no,
Really,
not in January.
it's so close, we're so close to it. Yeah, and release. Yeah, let's walk.
Alright. It's the middle of our workday here.
Yeah.
So we are streaming just a half of our workday, and I wanted to show you some interesting things like bug fixing, but actually I have done everything in the morning.
Yeah.
But we still have more interesting stuff to show you. And the next task I will do is to make our minions attacking drop pods. Give me a second. I will prepare.
Oh,
my
hello,
level.
hello. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Yeah. How are you? What's new you can tell to us? How's your work?
Looks like somebody forgot to change timings for spawning creeps and they spawn too fast.
Oh, as you can see, I'm
Right.
very good too. Have a nice mood. And what about you, Howard?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm happy.
Oh, yeah. So fun.
Alright, so minions. Minions, they want to attack our player, and we want them to attack drop pods as well. And the logic is following: once minion is spawned, it will decide what it wants to attack first, player or a drop pod. And if player is in vicinity, probably it will attack a player, but there is a chance that, for example, let's see that a lot of other minions are going to attack the player. It may switch back to drop pod because it's not interesting to attack while together. Maybe drop pod is also interesting thing. Another option is when drop pod is landed, we may ask our minions, "Hey minion, do you want to attack the drop pod?" And it may say, "Yes." First of all, let's prepare our level. To spawn minions. More minions. Let's spawn minions every 5 to 10 seconds is okay. 1 to 2 minions. Yeah, okay, let's stick with.
Oh, nice to hear it that it'll work. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah? Sci-fi style corridor?
Yeah, I remember you shown us walls
Yeah,
from
yeah,
your
yeah.
sci-fi game.
Oh.
I liked
Have
your
a
walls.
good luck. Yeah, corridor, it sounds great. Sci-fi corridor, it's top.
Right, let's see what's happening here in my test level, in my fancy test level with checkers texture. This is our creep. Also can spawn minions manually. And let's do some debug first. Let's create bug line between minion and its target. On every tick, if victim is valid, we will draw the bug line starting from its own coordinate, get to a location, split, freeze, plus 20. No, only 20 here. And team get actor location. We also don't need this setup aligning. Our actors should be above the ground. Everything starts from debugging. Some fancy color for that. Seconds 5. Now let's can see a line. Still can't see any line here. Let's remove all breakpoints. Somebody from these guys found our actor.
Okay.
It's a bit strange. More debugging.
More debugging. Oh.
They don't tell hello. Ah, right. It was not the proper place to. But we need to do this here before we setting up a victim, and we need to get a target coordinate rather than victims coordinate. Victim is something which minions. Alright, they're attacking me. Size of this line, and let's see what are errors. All good. This guy is chasing me. Also I want to do some debug on my drone. And I want to add amount of drones attacking my drone at the moment. Where is size?
Can see it. And hi everybody who watching us. Yep. Writing comments, how are you? And oh, it's really hard but interesting coding and programming. For me, oh hard. I'm just, you know, for me you're really like magician because you know how to do that interesting things.
Right, every time our drone is, or minion finds a target, by a target, oops, adjusting my camera.
Maybe I turn lights on? Okay, just give me a second.
Yes, please.
I hope it helped us.
On target acquired. Let's do some debug here as well. Let's try to cast to cat. Let's try to cat player. Actually, drone. And this drone we need to find its, call it extender. Minions count. No. Let me do this. I'm creating a new function. So callback event on minion.
And what it must give to you? What does
Sorry?
must give to you? How it help you? Oh, doesn't matter.
Sorry. Become minion target. We'll store our minion. I don't want our player to know about minions. Probably it's not correct. Let's move it somewhere else. A minion spawner. We can create a map of actor and amount of minions attached to this actor. Let's try. Second. One second.
Okay. That's right.
One second. Right. So we have an actor.
Oh.
1 second, guys.
Okay. While voice talking, I must remind you that you can join us in the social networks. Also, we have so many interesting stuff there. Yeah. And today, I think I really can post in all social networks and all our pages stuff with
Sorry, guys.
that Felix draw our concept art for the farm, like shower, yeah, for grass growing and bushes. Join us. And also thank you for joining us in Discord. It's really nice to read all your messages, and thank you really much, Jaglo. Oh, thank you. It's really so nice. I'm just coming to work and read your messages. It's like, oh, it's so cute, so sweet. Thank you. And hi everybody who watching us. Yeah. And of course you can ask us whatever you want. What you're interested in, Harry or me or Host or Felix can answer. Yeah, just like. So, it's all okay, Har?
Yes.
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 Nice to hear.
And a minion, base minion, minion, minion base spawn. So every time our minion is trying to get a target, it will call up to its manager and say, "Okay, manager, please find me a target." And this manager will do something which will do something to return a proper target for the minion. Should return a target. Type of actor. What's this? Now let's have an array of different actors. Let's create a random target. Oops. It's not a map, it's just an array. Let's clear it. I like clear variables before using them. And now let's start adding items into this array. Add unique. First thing we want to add is our player drone. Let's find it. Get player controller by 0 and cast it to, well, let's get controlled pawn. Get controlled pawn, then cast it to drone. It's our first. Let's create a sequence.
Oh, hi everybody who
First.
watching us. Love you do. I hope it's all okay with quality and with the sound, and thank you very much for watching. Yeah, but you know we have some problem with bitrate on Love You Do, so if it's something wrong you can just watch us in Twitch or on a YouTube. So thank you very much for watching. It's really very important for us, and we appreciate this. Thank you. Yeah,
Thanks, guys.
how are you? Hello. Do you like what we're doing? Or you can comment what we're doing.
Again, we can't just get an ref. We can't get a reference. We can get a copy. It's not something we want to get. So let's do this trick. For iterating an element is reference actually. So first thing we want to receive is our player. It's a default value, and then we also can all drop pods. Drop pod base. We'll add them all to this array. Add them all.
Add them all. Woo.
Add them all. Finally, let's return a random object from that array. Now minions will need to override their function acquire target, and here we want to call to our, we don't have our manager, spawning manager here. Let's call it minion manager with type of minion controller, some blah blah blah, minion control, no, minion spawn manager. And expose it on spawn and make it editable. So every time we want to acquire target, we'll get this function and we'll call it find minion target. Like this. Let's check what it will find for us. None. Good. Alright. None. Alright. And yes, for sure. Because we forgot to... I don't think we need to have this minion. Maybe we will need it later. It's populated with self. And yeah, minion manager is empty. Every time we spawn a new minion, is it? Where is it? Spawn a timer, start spawning, and should be somewhere here. All minions.
Where is it?
Is spawn single minion. Here we are, minion manager. We need to make self, or we can just use the self. Get owner. Yeah, get owner should work fine. We need to cast it. No, that's better. Why can't I? It's creep. Okay, it's a creep. Oh. Oh. This changes everything. Because we don't want creeps to control targets of our minions. Begin play. Reset. And let's find minion spawners. Set it to minion manager. Hello, admin mode.
Where you see admin mode?
Because he's my friend, not yours.
I don't see that MMO watching us. MMO, if you're watching us, write me in chat. I want to say hello to
just
you.
add him as friend. How many people on YouTube? Oh, but by the way, see, probably we need to change the color of last follower, current viewers, because it's really hard to see.
But for somebody's, yeah, it's in Felix. It's working amazing actually. Because Felix have a different layer, I guess. Okay, just give me a second, please. I check it and change it.
Guys, I will do some manipulations with my camera. Sorry.
Oh, hi, I'm Imad. How are you?
See, you see, I predicted his appearance. I am a prophet.
I'll be changing our colors in a real time. Yeah, this one is nice. Yep, I like it. Let's play with this color.
Yes, it's alright.
Okay. Oh, what I've done? It's all okay. Sorry, I'm just, you know, too nervous.
Oh,
very nervous.
I need to track. You know track, yeah.
Oh, go to eat. Go to grab some food. Fruit, go and grab your.
Work first, eat later.
No, if Ruto don't eat, he wouldn't, you know, walking nice. Oh, it's so nice, Mom. It's nice to hear it. I made before the stream.
You can see random distribution. Some guys want to attack Dropwood, someone want to attack me, but nobody is moving.
They just don't want to do it. They're so lazy. Oh. You put
It's
something?
because I.
Oh.
Yeah, I forgot to put this note.
Come on.
Let's see what will happen once they attack.
Okay.
It's okay, Admimon. You can eat, you can watch. It's unfair.
Yes.
We can do that. Oh, these guys don't want. Oh, come on, come on.
Oh. Look at that.
They attached to me.
This small minion. Oh,
No. No, we will. You shall not pass.
Oh my gosh. What you doing, Harry? Just have some fun, yep.
Hey, drone. It's a minion party.
Oh, funny. I'm sure that it's really funny.
Alright.
Three.
Okay. They finding a random target. They're even trying to follow, but that other actor is. I guess we need to remove this, and they will attack the nearest target if somebody just move it on their path, regardless the initial target. The player even can be like a live shield and protect drop pods and cost their life. And this vulnerable function is not suitable here. So anyone who goes into this function and not anyone, we need to create a new interface. We need to create a new interface and call it API minion attackable, something like this. Name is really strange. And here we can specify a function called isVulnerable. Let's call it can be attacked by minion and this function should return true or not or false. Can be attacked. Place is vulnerable function. Where is it? We need to add a new interface.
Sure.
Override it. Can be attacked by minion. We can change this function from is vulnerable. Oh, it's already here.
No, we don't code it yet hard. It's simple game and we just, you know, working with blueprints.
Not yet. Not yet with interface.
And this message from Love You Do.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, hi everybody who watching us.
I'm doing some tweaks on my camera.
Oh.
So it will be more stable.
Okay. Yep.
Right, bon appetit. Bon appetit. Now it's even worse. I will get a new camera maybe tomorrow.
You took it
or
from the
today,
home? Yep.
depending
You took
on...
it from the home?
Huh?
No. Oh, you're buying new
No.
one. Okay. You just
Right.
sitting not in the nice place for, you know. We must move you somewhere in a nice place.
Let's implement interface called API minion something blah blah blah. And branch. We even don't need this function anymore. Let's have it.
I'm so sorry.
Lots of branches.
Oh, good. Okay, just please write to me when you end your lunch,
Lunchtime.
okay? Oh. Oh.
Oh yeah, I remember why we use this function.
Thank you, thank you.
We don't use this one. Let's set our drop pod. I have a better idea. Rather than do this 2 steps, we can find all get vectors with interface and set up to this variable. But we need to check. We don't need that one, thanks. For each loop. Can be attacked by minion. It can be attacked. Let's store it. I need this. A bit simplified the function. But we need to set our drop pods. Cargo. Not drop pod itself, but it's cargo. And it always can be attacked. Still strange. to set report manager.
I really like that line. That line is it really, you know, show you.
Sorry?
I really like that lines, pink lines. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
bugging is cool.
Follow.
Guy has been attached.
Yes, kill it,
Why?
kill it.
They still want to
Oh,
fall.
hard.
They're a bit random, guys. Every time our drone, our minion attacking is reached attack distance. We need to set its target actor. We'll change target. And we also need to set a victim. Let's do this right now. An army of minions. It will happen if I pick up that. This is just frustrating. It has no sense of life.
Oh, boss, you tell bad word. Oh, bad boy, bad boy.
Maybe we need to create a callback function.
Yes, but for what? Okay, I don't know. Okay. Actually, it's so I don't know. It just a little mesmerized me, I guess. I don't know. I'm just all these lines, all these moves. They're so, you know, magnetical, something like that.
3 times in the last 1 minute. So,
but
you know,
this
3
is
times.
first, you know, in our stream, so yeah.
No, not the first.
For today,
First was in the beginning. Right, let me focus. So when drone is dead, you know.
You know. Or
Or is it on death?
You tell you know.
Need to call a new function. No, this will not work. But do you have damageable type of blueprint? Attackable? Yes. No. Right, we need to create a callback and we need to create an event. So create a delegate interface.
Oh, hello, hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Do you like our stream? How are you all guys who watching us? Really interesting. And actually, I'm really wondering why you're watching game dev streaming. You're game developers, or you artists? Oh yeah. Okay, I'll give you some time. You know, it's just programming, not just it's programming. But the next you can see level design and how our 2D artist working on some concept art, so it will be really interesting. And who don't know, we are Solux Interactive, a small indie game studio from the Kiev, Ukraine, and now we're creating AKPSs. It's a sci-fi top-down shooter about terraforming. Yeah, just like that. And some small pieces of our game you see here on power screen, and you this beardy man. After thinking about if it's all okay, Hard.
Yes, I'm just trying to think how we can do this. Events, we need to sign on some events.
Okay.
When this become unavailable?
Yeah, sure. We just give you some time. But really, what about you? it's I'm really interested. Do you like game dev, or you just find somehow us? Oh, thank you very much for following. It's really very important for us.
Thanks.
Lots of kisses to you. I hope you like it. I hope you like our stream. Yeah, lots of kisses, really. Thank you very much.
Right. We need to call an event called Undead, Undied. I have no idea. Become unavailable. For example, cargo pods will become unavailable once they are picked up. So let's call this. Yeah. The only question is how we can call this, how we can bind these events both for minions and player.
Oh. Dear viewers, if you have some ideas, you can write in chat. Maybe you help us. Yes, I can understand in programming, so I'm just talkative girl, Let's give her some time to just think about and lower all this stuff.
If we remove target location, maybe they will automatically stop moving. Get a new target. Right, we have 3 guys doing this. Some unavailable, but they still continue moving this position.
Guys, really, if you want to ask something, you can write us in the comments, in the chat. I'll be very happy to talk with you. Oh, dropouts fall. Oh, but it will be really interesting if dropouts, fall to the ground and killing our. It's like one more eviler. Oh yeah.
Oh, sad.
Yeah, we're from Ukraine. Oh, you're from Brazil. Oh, it's pretty bad. But you couldn't keep it. Oh. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, I know lots of people who, working as volunteers who know English or another different languages. They just, traveling around the world as volunteers and helping people in different countries. Or just, if they know languages, they can just teach some children in Africa. I might actually want my nice friend do like this. So yeah, it sounds nice, but it's bad that you really can keep in touch with you. Oh, so many minions. God. Why 3 drop 4 drop pods in one time fall to the planet?
I'm spawning them manually. There's the bug key first. No one wants to chase me.
Oh yeah, I got it.
This guy wants to chase me, despite the fact that his target is located in a separate place.
But
They're
as
doing
I
something
can see,
really
they
strange.
don't take this drop pods.
Yeah. Need to write better logic for that.
Oh.
If victim is valid, they need to attack it. They remove a function. Oh. Probably I need to rewrite everything. Yeah. Right, let's go from the beginning. So on start we are playing which is fine on tick. Checking the victim. Don't need victim variable at all, I guess. Avoid any. Get this. Select whether we are on state where we can continue our idle move. Steady moving. Didn't chain attack distance. Okay. Hitting idle. Good. Data need. Better. Sit then. Reach the attack distance. Stop move immediately. Need to set this flag to true. Have this draw. Have the function which will return sockets, available sockets for attaching. Get sockets. Should be scene components array. random socket for attaching one socket only. Scene component. Sorry. Let's create sockets. It's an empty scene. It's called minion socket 0. It somewhere. It doesn't matter for now. Get proper hash for it. We can redo everything. Okay. All right. Two. Doesn't matter.
Wait, please a second. Okay, I'm here. Sorry for this, guys.
Right. Tags. Socket. Function. Can static get component by tag. Tag. Component. Tag is minion socket. Shuffle.
Hello everybody who watching us. How are you? Are so hard because
Right. So this function returns random socket from cargo, and let's do the same here. All the function which returns as sockets. Yes, we just copy the same function from here, put the drone. And that's all. Next we need to create that. Sockets. attack it.
Oh, hello,
It's good.
Salad Finger. Oh, and girl.
Hey, Solfinger, how are you?
Girl.
Girl. Just girl.
Mm.
Guys and girl. Yeah, actually, he's right. Lots of guys here and one girl.
And I'm special, yep. Thank you for.
Of course you are. Target actor.
Oh, look at my shoulder. Don't look at this. It's the same situation with what is with my nose and cheeks after sunburn.
Get to attack distance. Stop moving.
Oh, I'm
We
fine.
send flag reach to
I'm
attack
really
distance.
fine today. I have an amazing mood. Yeah. Oh, going nice.
Oh, we have 13 watchers on the stream.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. It's kind of records for us. Really
Yeah,
appreciate it.
it's
Thanks.
about our record, so thank you
I
very much
hope
for
you enjoy
watching.
the stream and do not.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Do not hesitate to ask me something if you want to know what I'm doing, and I really want to explain wherever I'm to focus it right now, but I will be happy to explain.
Yes,
And okay, we will stop moving. We setting up flag, that means we will not attack anything else.
you know, for us, very important to make the stream educatable. You know, that you find some new information. Yeah, it's really important for us. So you can ask us whatever you want, whatever you're interested in. So.
Right now I'm redoing a minion attacking system. Previously we had minions who were spawned by creeps and they attacked only player. Now we decided that these minions should attack cargo pods, drop pod cargo as well. And I started to just implementing new functions, but I'm going deeper and deeper. Now I created new interface and I'm recreating the whole logic of our minions. This thing is just taking me from the real world, and I didn't expect that it will take so much time. But now it should be better, except this spaghetti is for debug. I will mark it as debug. You will not scare about it. Yeah, and you can see I'm in the middle of redoing everything from the blueprint. Right, so if it can be attacked by minion, at the final check before this function, let's change the order. Oh, sorry, that's correct. Set it here. Break lines here. All three.
You know, Solfinger, it's not that spaghetti that it was earlier.
It's debug spaghetti. It's debug spaghetti. We will not eat it.
Don't talk about food, please. Now that I'm hungry all the time. But I can eat some candies. Yeah, every morning, you know, we have some traditional. I drink coffee in, I can tell this, in a McDonald's, and bring me some candy, some small candy. Because they're just them give this candy with coffee, and I yeah, I have some candy on my table, on my desk. Now you know our little secret. Small secret.
I like coffee from McDonald's.
Yeah, me too. And we have here in Ukraine one interesting chocolate. No, it's not like chocolate. It's like waffle. Right? It looks like this.
Chocolate waffles.
Yeah. And I like drinking coffee from Aroma Kava. Yeah. Hey, you should try it. They do really nice coffee. I like it.
Not sure that Ramakawa is present in Sweden. Acquire target. Acquire target. Acquire target. It's fine. Alright.
And you know, if you want, you can ask your, I don't know, somebody in McDonald's to give you not.
Still counting, you knows.
Noted, please. Or you're just. Oh.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, Saltfinger. Exactly. We should have counter. It's the greatest idea for today ever. Saltfinger, you're a genius. And we even can do like a pizza counter. And every time Sia said, or Sia or me or Ruta said, you know, we will just increase the counter, and once this pizza counter goes to the end, we'll buy pizza.
Okay, I
do it. Do it right now.
Okay.
Amazing idea.
Be here.
I have some things to do this night, but maybe tomorrow in the morning I will create a widget, an hour overlay. Let me think where we can place it.
Where we can place new follower,
pizza. Alright, let's discuss it tomorrow. Yeah, but this
nice
every
idea,
time
yeah?
somebody said, you know, we'll click on a button and it will increment counter and a new pizza slice will be added. Maybe we'll set
with our prices on pizza.
20 pizza slices.
Oh, all my
yeah,
money will go to pizza. Oh. And I stay with no books, no coffee, no clothes, no candies.
We can even start a new game in Twitch. So every person in our chat, every time they had from Sia, which is not related to something about in real, but it's like when it's like a parasite, people may set a ping, and we can increment the pizza counter. We can have different pizzas per person. It's an amazing idea. Oh.
Yeah.
Then we can select another parasite word.
I don't tell stuff. Just for few times.
Me too.
I tell this today.
Same.
One time. One time. You know? And but
pizza
for
counter
us,
plus
Friday,
1.
Friday it's a day of team deathmatch. Yeah, where we're playing hot.
Yeah, and tomorrow we will increase the time for this team deathmatch because our rehearsal is moved by 1 hour ahead, so we have 1 extra hour to play games on work.
And
actually, this is something which we do with Felix every day, every evening. While my wife at countryside with my kids, and I live alone this summer. We play HOTS every day.
You're so happy to have a chance to play in HOTS?
No, I said I miss my family.
Aww.
Okay, now I'm not sad.
You're a nice man, you know. You're a nice husband, and I must tell you that I will play HOTS too. I'll be healing this two beautiful men, Harry and Felix. Ha! My Biruto will. play with us. Ruti.
I tried to reproduce this image,
What?
but look at this
I
cat.
can't delay this cat, you know, just look at me. I'm a bad player actually. But
Oh, 15 players.
I think I must try to stream when I'm playing Skyrim. It's so funny because you know, I'm playing with my friend, and it's like, oh, what I must do here? What I must do here? What is this? Why it's come to me now? Oh yeah, just like.
Something, probably she's drunk. I have no idea.
I'm not drunk, you know.
Are you drunk?
I have no difference when I'm drunk and when I'm sober, you know. It's really it's weird stuff. I know. I'm just happy little girl. So what's the problem, Heart? You streaming?
A problem, officer?
You know, you stream about 1 hour and 20 minutes. I just tell you,
right.
it's all okay.
Let's talk more. Yeah, 17
Our
viewers.
records.
Thanks everyone, guys. Oh, hi, Jenny Life. It's all in the family.
Yeah, you know, in our band we have people who like us, and we tell Deb's family, and here is Solux Interactive family, so you are our family. Yay.
Thanks all.
Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you like even my weird face. Yeah. Oh, what you doing, Heart?
I'm looking at a list of game development channels. We're on the first row. Woo.
Yeah, I see that. Oh.
Can we grow pizza instead of trees? Sure.
Okay.
Send me pizza model. This is skeletal mesh. We'll do this.
Okay.
My accent, yeah, it's mixed of Ukrainian Russian. I cannot hear a difference between Russian and Ukrainian accent.
No, we have
English.
lots of. I don't know actually.
Ukrainian.
What about? I'm speaking Ukrainian and Russian because lots of people in Ukraine speak Russian, but I don't know. I don't speak Russian. The 6 years old.
Some Ukrainian people speak Russian, some Ukrainian. I guess maybe only 25 to 30% people in Ukraine speak Ukrainian, maybe more, depending on the time, but on location. On Western Ukraine, almost all the people talk Ukrainian, and on Central and Eastern and Southern Ukraine, most people talk Russian.
No, you know,
Now you know, it's 2 times in a row. 2 pizza slices.
Why 2 times? I said no.
Alright, please continue.
I just you don't give me to continue. It's not like parasite. You know that my family, part of my family live in
So you know.
East. Live in the East Ukrainian in one big city in Slobozhanщina, and they speak Ukrainian definitely, but they, you know,
Отлично.
they. No, I'm from
Sia is here. You can see her. Sitting 5 meters away from me.
I'm Ukrainian, you know. I'm native Ukrainian, but one part of my family live in Russian, and my grandmother will, you know, Um, actually, they have some problem with they live in a Russian sometime. Yeah. In a Siberia, they just, you know, they was deported to Siberia, one part of my family. So they lived there about 20 years and then come back to Ukraine. Oh, yeah.
To like distance, stop moving, can be attacked. Right.
Oh.
To continue working on this, sorry
Okay.
guys. Talking too much rather than working. Then new state is jumping and minion
Hard.
from start. It's like
difficult.
our animation.
Yeah, what about you?
Me. I was born in Russia, but my parents relocated to Ukraine when I was only half a year old, and I live in Ukraine since this time. Yeah, so I think I'm Ukrainian.
We all here, I guess, Ukrainian. And actually, Fast tell us that he from old Ukrainian, I don't know how to explain it, all Ukrainian family that help fallen king to make Ukraine some peace, you know. Oh, thank you.
To do one more checking here.
Oh.
First player may die between just in the middle of
if you're talking
jumping.
about Chernobyl, one of my friends who like physics tell that, or something like that, I don't know, he tell that now it's nice in Chernobyl actually. And when I was volunteer on document fast, it's called Docu Days, it's here in Kiev. One guy just from Netherlands, I guess, you know, made some film about Chernobyl, and one guy from Chernobyl go here to live, you know, in a small house underground about 15 years, and he's really weird guy, but he thought that it's amazing pure air, amazing pure berries, some mushrooms, nice fish, so he just live there and don't eat, you know, some products from the real life. Maybe, yeah.
Crazy man.
Yes, but you know, he really go there without nothing. You don't have some building materials and just like that, and it's yeah.
And Chernobyl is still operating.
Yeah, we have
one
some...
reactor was blown in 1986, but one or two reactors are still on operating state, and people are still working there. It's still producing some energy, or at least they, I mean, these workers are still looking after this two remaining reactors. I have no idea whether it's still operating or not, I mean, in terms of producing energy, but people are still there and they work every day almost there. They have probably 3 working days per week, or maybe 4 working days per week only, because of some increased radiation level. But it's not an anomaly increased level, it's normal increased level like on other nuclear plants across the world.
Oh yeah, what games we making? We making sci-fi top-down shoot about terraforming. So it's all game about terraforming, how the base terraforming planet, and our main character drone protected base from the different creations that live in the planet. Yeah, of humanity.
It's a fly.
Oh, but we must read the rules and about the games.
Can you see it fly? Is this fly?
Yeah, I see it.
It attacks me. We need a special.
Yeah, sure.
Can I see a test? You can see a test, but my level is not working right now. No, it doesn't work because I just disassembled it. Let me try to
Maybe
do something.
I can switch to first if he working on a
to fix some
level and I can show.
Give me a second.
Okay.
Maybe we can try to play it somehow. Yeah, right, it works somehow.
Maybe
I have no idea
really show
about
first
minions
screen.
because they are in disassembled state.
Okay. So if you want, I can.
Concentrate on the story. Right. So every level will start with a reactor landing somewhere. One moment. We need to make an fancy cinematics, but it's not my level. Right. Yeah. Reactor is landing on a planet's surface. We'll add also more particles or other things.
Yeah.
And this reactor start producing oxygen level, which would be enough people to live on this planet. Unfortunately, this planet is habitable and is populated by evil form of life. We call it ferrite. It's
Yeah.
like a liquid ferromagnet form, and this form tries to destroy a reactor. Sorry for this debug lanes. As I said, I was in the middle and debugging.
Oh, thank
So
you.
this evil form of life tries to get too close to the reactor. You can see it tries to spawn closer and closer, and player has to destroy it with a drone. We are attacking him with some electromagnet sphere, and this will destroy the scripts and protect the reactor until it reaches 100% level of oxygen. Also, you can see there are some trees
Oh, thank you.
on the planet, which are spawned by these small working drones. And these trees also helps our reactor to generate
Thank you.
more oxygen. Another thing is small minions, which I'm working on right now. And these minions want to... Oh, sorry, our reactor is dead, so we lost. The small minions also trying to kill our player. Fortunately, they're not working properly right now. And also we have evil spikes, which will turn from the ground times to times, trying to kill a player. So, sorry guys, you can see it's in the middle of the bug, and I cannot show how this game works right now. Many things not working properly.
Oh yeah, really. Thanks.
Thanks, Stefika. But it will be free, at least first 20 levels. We'll tell you once we get working. I need to focus on this. I need to fix everything. Oh, bug. This should work fine. Unattacked.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I just remember first day when we started working on this, and when I see now it's too big difference, and it's really amazing.
Our first version. Maybe once we will get a retrospective.
Lots of kisses to you. Thank you very much for following us. It's
Thanks,
really
guys.
so much important for us. So thank you. And guys, don't forget to follow us in the social network. There we have really lots of interesting information. All links you can find in the description of this video. Just you know what to do. Yeah, really sorry. Thank you. No, I'm actually editor, but I work here as narrator. I'm just talkative, you know, and it's I'm just talking somewhere to not talking at home, just like that. Funny, yeah. But I like what horrors do, because it really for me seems like magic. It's so hard, but I think I think I must try 3D.
Target acquired. Need to work on base class first. It's not a good idea. It was not a good idea to rewrite a class which has children, but we knew that someday we would rewrite it, and I thought that it would be easier. But yes, this base class is done. We acquire target. Target, we're setting it. State and now. Stop. Target acquired. I'm just going through all the functions. What?
What? Oh. It's you? Hard.
Bye guys. I sold all of you.
And we are slaves till we die, yeah. Oh, it looks funny.
When the game will be ready.
Yeah, where is my
being
money? Where is
posted
my
on Steam.
money?
Sorry, no money. When the game will be posted, I guess in the end of September. I hope so. It depends on how much fluid we will continue to do in our channel rather than doing actual work. Yeah, it's okay. That's why we do that.
Oh yeah. And you don't see fast photo and select photo because they don't have a cameras now, but very soon voice have a cameras and you can see in all recursive their beautiful face. Yeah.
No, we don't have any released games
It's
so
our
far.
first game.
And after this game, we have one project that's in the air. I have started it 1 year ago together with Host, but we were unable to finish it, and that was the main reason why we got the company set up to finish the second game, not this one. This one is like a start game. We had an idea which came from 2015 when my friend and I created a game for Epic Game Jam.
Yeah.
And we thought that this game might work, and we decided to finish it normally and call it Oasis. But previous game was about some fantasy, in a fantasy setting. Maybe see I can show it to you.
Yeah, I just
Yeah,
want
when
to suggest
we don't give up.
Okay, now wait please a few seconds. I just want to show you this amazing game. Okay, and
thanks.
go to her or to someone else. Or to someone else, yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sure.
I will take a rest for 5 minutes.
Okay, so thank you guys. Here is our game. As you can see, I'll be played and talk with you, but I will try to see your messages, so I now fix it. Yeah, just like that. Here is our main character. It's Spirit. You play as a Spirit. This blue not big tree, it's your eternal tree, and you must protect it from the terrible volcanoes. Here you can see spikes that come from the ground, and they want to kill you. You have just about 2 seconds to hide from that. Oh no! As you see this sphere, you know some about electrical sphere, because what you can kill all these terrible volcanoes, what poisoning cure trees. You see your own. You see all those 2 health bars, and you also have a bus. I just can show you this. Space but it takes some energy from your bar, so be careful when you doing this. No, you see I'm not dying. Oh, that's nice. Whoop. Let's wait for a few seconds. No, don't do this. Actually, now I must tell you that I'm playing on a normal mod. It's not the simple mod. Weep. So you must be very careful when you're playing it, not to die. I'm repeating myself. Do you like it? Yes, and when her told me that they made this game in about 72 hours, I was, you know, so much surprised. Oh, see this! These terrible spikes kill me. Yeah, I was so surprised, and I think, how can people make a game for a 72 hours playable game? Yeah, of course, this Eternal Forest have a few bugs, but it's all okay. It's playable, and I think that it's most important thing. But it's really interesting. So when I'm playing it for the first time, I just, you know, don't know how to normally play it, how to watching how, you know, I'm just dying all the time. I don't understand how many volcanoes will be here, how many seconds I have to rest before this spikes attack. And it was for me a bit hard for the first stages, but then I think that it's a really nice game to play, to have some rest, or when you know, walking, sitting on the office. And even now I'm playing. But I have 3 minutes. Or watching some streams on Twitch. So I really must tell you that thank you very much that you like it. I really appreciate it because for me it's important too. You know, I feel myself like part of a big family. So thank you. No. And more lasers. Yeah, maybe. But it's not this Eternal Forest, not like, you know, just sci-fi game. It's like I don't even know how to explain it. Here it is. Our tree are health. Yeah, but it grows up and it's all okay. Yeah, so nice to watch in this. Okay, I just need to press exit game and I think, sorry for this, give me please 1 second. Go to hurry up, go to someone else. Okay, go to her for a few minutes. Yeah, just like, hello her.
Hey.
Again.
Hey back. Right. Now I decided to focus on what I'm doing. Maybe I will not look at chat so often. Even mute myself. Stream. Good. When we reached attack distance.
Oh, you 17. I'm 18. Yeah. Would you tell me that he wants to stream? Yeah. Okay.
Ruta? Yeah, let's switch
Thank
to
you,
Ruta. I
Harry.
can finish this and we can show it to you later.
Sure. You know, everybody tell me that I'm 15 actually. You don't see my sister. She's just 17, but everybody tell her that she's 25. She looks 25. Okay, we go to Ruta. Hello, Ruta. Hello, our dear friend. Just wait a second. I miscalled him. I forgot. Yeah, I'm joining the call. Thank you, Ruta, for calling me. Hello. Oh yeah, Juglo. You 22. Yes, of course. I can think that she born in 95 years, so it's okay. Yeah. Oh, but what about me? Why I'm not perfect Game of Thrones character? I'm girl, and I'm, you know, very vital. I'm young, and the same situation with Ruto. Ruto, you're nice. You're nice for being a character in a Game of Thrones. Yep. Hi. I think you're vital too. What about? Yes, just 3 seasons. But you like it, or it's not for you? Yeah, I can show you my passports in life. So, yep, I'm 18 years old. Sorry, this is for this. Oh, so many messages in the chat.
Ah, I forgot to enable my microphone.
No, I hear you nicely.
You hear me through Discord, but stream
Oh.
can't hear me.
But
I'm sorry,
wait a
guys.
second,
I'm
your
really sorry for that.
microphone. And here.
It was muted. It was muted in OBS. Yes.
Oh, class.
Yes. I'm experienced streamer, you know, and yeah, Juggalo, hi again. I will repeat real quick what I said before. So I said that I saw only 3 seasons of Game of Thrones, and it's that thing. And also I said that I'm want to continue watching that show, but I just don't have time for it because.
And I don't have a time.
Yeah.
It's
game dev.
It takes lots of time, yes.
Yeah. What's happening?
Oh, it's funny because I in life I don't look like all women. I looks like, you know, don't know how to explain it. I'm very funny, but I'm a mommy. Don't do that, don't go there, and so on. Very sorry. We can move it. Okay, sorry for this, Ruta. Just tell us please, you working on a UV, yeah? Oh.
Yeah. How exciting!
Puzzle, so of course.
Every 3D artist in chat right now, like, oh, you are UV. You're gonna unwrap that thing. Oh no, I'm about to see that. Yes,
no.
it's yeah.
You know what's the problem? I remember like you are working on UV where you're working on a drone where you just creating a model of the drone, and you first UV, second UV, and you all the time change it, and I just.
Yes, I think I did that UV in I believe the third try. So, and yeah, I believe that that unwrap process will be easier. And so, couple words about unwrapping this particular asset. Yesterday, or I believe couple days ago, I'm rambling about how to do UVs for that asset because I need it to be I need this object to has 2.56 pixels per centimeter in texel density, and for that matter I can't fit that entire object in 1K texture. It's just unfitable here. So I decided to fit it in 2K texture, but let's do it real quick. So now we got that texture density, and let's do it smaller. So now we got 2K texture, for instance, here in that UV space, and that mess of islands is not filling that space whatsoever, but I decided, and that's real man decisions, but I decided to fit here a couple other objects. For instance, we probably will be able to fit here minion, and
as I'm looking right now in this space, I believe we can fit here more than on the minion. Also, see, you already saw
Can you
that.
please repeat?
See, you probably saw that. I tried to.
Yeah.
Can we fit here?
Yeah,
and here?
definitely
That's all.
saw it.
And yes, it's complex decision, complicated decision for me, because in there is two sides, you know, positive and negative, of course, of that decision. First of all, I will start with negative. We got too much free space. Yes, in that UV will look terrible, because I just can leave it as it is. Don't even arrange my islands here, you know, just leave it auto packed like that, and we got free space. Yeah,
Imagine.
that means in engine we will import in engine, that is, in Unreal Engine we will import 2K texture image with 2K on each side, and that means more memory will be used by that image. Yes, I don't think it will hit performance hardly, but at the same time I will continue with positive things about it. So I mentioned before that we can fit in that space another object. I mean by for instance minion. Yes, we can fit here minion. I haven't modeled it yet. I did not think about minion. I will do it in future after this asset character. And yes, I don't know how it will look, what size it will have. Has excuse me. And I believe it will fit here. So that being said, we got 2K texture imported in engine, and that texture will use some memory, but we will use only one texture image for two assets. So it's probably it's positive way, it's positive side of that way to do my unwrap, and I believe it's better than trying to fit it, either trying to fit it 1K texture or trying to do something with it like weird scale of islands, or each island. I don't know how to do that without upscaling.
Yeah, I'm agree with you.
Our texture.
It's really nice idea.
So yes, I will read chat real quick because I'm talking too much. Wow, I haven't seen that messages in chat while I'm streaming. It's the first time in my life.
Good life. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Good luck to you.
Yeah, see ya. So Admimod asked me, why are all spikes unique? I think I got what you said, and it's actually you know what? Yes, I probably could that in that way. I got what you said, and I will explain what I'm thinking about. You said about unique spikes, and you probably mean by that each spike there is no it's not mandatory to have a unique UV island for each spike, and I can just unwrap one spike and duplicate it. Yes, I can do that, and I'm actually need to think about that. So in that case, we of course we 100% will fit our texture in 1K texture space.
Oh, you know, aestheticer, it is our it is our, you know, like favor. I don't know, it's something special for us. So not more, but more work. Yeah, sorry for this. And what's wrong with music? Why it stops? Oh no, it's just quiet song. Okay. Yeah, I like it.
It's a good point.
And it's, you know, when you just read it or talk, I don't know, trying to say it, it's like you're wicking.
Also, sorry for me that skewing on this side, because I got second monitor with it's smaller and it has weird resolution, like 1600 by 900, and Twitch doesn't fit in that resolution in you know, theater mode, so I downscaled Twitch in browser, so in my chat looks smaller. No, I'm not vegan, I don't have a beard. Yeah. So I'm thinking about what admin mod suggested to do, and I'm seriously considering to do that right now. So let's do that. I will save real quick, and what we're gonna do, get rid of that window, and what I'm gonna do, I will just delete all
you
my
want
spikes
to
besides.
see more programming? But it's actually modeling interesting too. Actually, I'm understanding modeling more than in programming. Oh, it's like, oh, it just looks so beautiful in this. Like mandala. Yeah.
Why it doesn't matter what you said, admin? Texture on that model will be simple. It will be quite simple. I described it yesterday. I don't know if you saw that or not. I will use thickness map from Bake to put that in generators, and so especially with that I don't know, simplicity of texture, I can afford to duplicate all that spikes and just use one island for each geometry spikes, if that makes sense. We'll use spare UV islands. And Admiral, really thank you for that suggestion. I don't think why I'm haven't think about that. I just think about rescaling, but I don't think about didn't think about
Aestheticer, you're seriously? I must show video. What called, like, блять, man. I'll watch it later, but I really want am. But it's bad word. Oh. It's not a word. Okay.
So now I'm deleting all unnecessary spikes. Bye bye. Say bye bye to them.
Bye bye.
I need that.
I'll watch it after stream because I'm actually need to be here. But I'll really watch it. It's like a Batman, but right. You know, this man, I don't know, protected you from. You watch this video. You watch this
I'm laughing
video.
only
No. You're laughing so funny.
I'm crying!
Please don't cry! Don't cry, I'll be crying you. Okay.
Guys, I'm sorry for that. I'm just heard that. Блядь.
I wish.
I'm sorry.
Я уже все.
I'm crying.
Okay, maybe I switch to
Please
someone
wait with
else?
me. So I'm fine. No, please don't do that.
Okay.
So I'm fine.
Harry's a bit angry. But we laughing on the street. Okay.
So I'm not
Don't
biting
cry.
anymore. Oh. I'm not crying anymore.
No, it's fine.
I'm trying not to loud, but
Oh, something wrong with your microphone? I don't hear you. Oh yeah.
so please don't share videos with names like that.
You made Ruta cry. Sorry for this, guys. Really, but we can do nothing with us. I hope you. They don't drink tea. It's too hot in Kiev to drink some tea. Cold coffee. Okay. Oh, Ruta, you just smiled. And with a smile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that? I forgot to delete one little gap here.
I don't. Oh no. Last one mentioned. Oh yeah. I'm agree with you. Oh, what was that?
That's me coughing.
Okay. Okay. It's all okay, Ruto?
So yeah, that's fine. I will delete Sims here right now.
Okay.
I will delete that spike. I don't need that. The two spikes don't need it. I will throw them away. And I placed Sims on that spikes because I got quite big stretching. Okay, we'll select it manually. And I will clear that right now and see what kind of distortion we will get after that. If we will get any distortions.
No, it's not Ebola. No, it's,
So let's
you know,
start that
just
real quick.
her idea to make this game, It's all his project, so and you know, just made this team take us all together, and we do it, you know, just because we feel that we can do it, and I'm well in love with the caprices.
So we got some stretching here. Let's see what we can do with that. We can do nothing about that, so I think I should return that seams back. Let's see if we can do that in a quick way. Yes, we can. Okay, let's unwrap that again.
Yes, first 20 levels will be free, and then we, you know, think about how we can.
Okay, I deleted sim somewhere and now repeating that shape. So, but now I want to see how it will look after we will scale that. Scale whole asset. Will it fit in 1024 or not?
Yeah, it's a real problem, of course, in East Europe.
And I think it really will fit in 1024 space. So admin mode, thank you again for your glue. I really appreciate that you made my work easier, because for some reason I totally forgot about duplication and stuff like that. So yes, it's, you know, 5 cents in my experience. Next time I will not forget about that.
But how about when
So,
you
yeah.
go somewhere on the public transport? And what about you? Do when you play games on your mobile phone in the toilet too? Yeah?
Honestly, I haven't played games on my phone like in more than 1 year, maybe 2 years. I have some games on my phone and they you know, they dusting on my phone like
Yeah, I
for
know.
for years. But yes, I played some games, and usually I did that
Oh yeah.
on my last job. I'm not playing, but not doing job. I working there, but you know, sometimes I need to take a rest, like, you know, 10 to 15 minutes rest, to just for rest reasons. And what I did, I just played some games on a phone. And
Oh, I'm
yes,
sorry.
I'd like to play more games on,
Oh, thank
on
you.
my phone. Bless you. Um,
Don't have much
but
time for this.
I
Or...
just
Uh,
yeah, I just not prioritizing games over my other
Yeah.
other tasks.
understand you. I'm not a fan of the phone games too, but you know, I'm playing it when I need to relax, just like on evening or when I have. Oh, thank you, Piano Rocco. Oh, Rocco. Read wrong your read wrong your name, so sorry me for that. Thank you very much for following us, it's really important for us. Thank you, lots of kisses to you, thank you very much, nice to see you in our family. Yeah, just like that. But you know, play Zombies Gunship last time, and so like block puzzle, something like that. Simple games to have relax. Whoa. What? Yeah, oh, I'm sorry, I need to. Yay! Oh, Admimon, this kiss is for you. I'm not hiding, here I am. Yeah, kisses day. Aww.
Kisses for days.
To survive.
So, I scaled all that islands in proper texture density, and now I will start. I don't know why that. So
Okay.
wait a minute. Okay. I don't know why. What happened with that mesh?
What you mean? What's wrong with this? Oh yeah.
It's so dark. I don't know why. Oh, now it looks fine.
Um.
Okay.
I don't know.
Is it bug
What happened?
or what is that? Also notice that I forgot to detach that part here.
Oh my, my full first name sounds like Anastasia, and if you will transcoding it to English, this name lasts for yeah, you can see my full name in the description of this video, so I just take some part of my full name here. Yeah. But here in Ukraine, it's very yeah, here in Ukraine, lots of lots of girls with the same name than me. I wish I was, some very special name, like, I don't know. I don't know. Oh yeah, Anastasia, yeah. It's, I guess it's Greece, like that. Greece. But it's in Ukraine, it's really important name. And you know that, Anastasia, even that sounds interesting. And it's just two different names, yep. And in Ukraine this name comes with first priest, so. Oh, me too. Actually, when I was a small girl. Oh, of course. When I was a small girl, me and my sister, we watching this this movie, and I don't like it. I really don't like it. It's very weird. I don't like atmosphere. I don't know. It's yeah. It's a good movie, yeah, but I don't know. I don't like atmosphere. It's all girls and all these lies and this terrible Rasputin that shows as a pure evil, but in real life, I think. Yeah. We can line hard. I'm just like that. What's my favorite movie? Oh, it's hard. It's really hard. I can tell you what the latest movie that or that movie that I really like. But I you need to know. Yesterday we're talking about our favorite actors and actresses. Today we're talking. Of course, I like Harry Potter. It's my generation, you know. Oh, we growing up with Daniel Radcliffe and so on. All this. Of course, I like it. Yeah. When I watched first film of Harry Potter, I was about 7 years old girl, and or 8 years old. It's just, what is that? Of course, I want to be Gryffindor. Oh yeah. I don't rate it, but I don't know. I would use Oruta. What's your favorite movie?
I'm here. It's hard to say. I got. I'm not. Excuse me. I'm not a big movie person, and it's quite a rare occasion when I'm actually watching movies. But I got a couple movies that I really like. One of them, it's like came in my head. It's a film called Platoon. It's old movie. I believe it's a nice year it was released. Yes, and I really like actor cast in that film. Charlie Sheen, William Dafoe, and I forgot the name of that third actor who plays bad person in that film. And that film is quite I don't know, it's a bit heavy, you know, and I saw that film and I really like that film. It's about Vietnam War, and yes, I really like that film. What else? I can't remember right now. I need to think.
Oh, hi everybody who watching us, guys. We have a small discussion about it. Join us.
I will move my all browsers on the other screen.
Yeah.
Yes, that film. That film. I love, you know, that classic films about Vietnam, and what the film called Full Metal Shell, I believe, or I can't remember, with that colonel who yelling at privates. I can't remember exactly how it film named. Also, I love what film I love really. I can't remember right now.
Oh, it's okay. And what's your favorite movie of me mods? Happy?
I remember, yes. My favorite movie, I'd say franchise is Lord of the Rings. Yes, I really love that film and all series.
Oh, it's nice.
It's probably I probably can say that it's my favorite. And now you know how bad I am at films, because I had hard time trying to remember what my favorite film is.
Yes, my favorite movie depends on genre too, because in every genre we have an interesting movie, we have a nice movie, we have a bad movie, so of course Oh, Kingdom of Heaven, I watch it. Yeah, I know that she sent this photo. You're so young here without beard. All these funny stories are not fun.
Kingdom of Heaven.
It's nice film. It's very nice film.
Okay, thank you for suggestion.
Oh. I just want to tell all of you thank you very much for watching us. And I hope you like our stream, and if you like it, follow us and write us in chats. Just think about it. And of course, I need to maybe afterwards to show you Felix concept art of our new. It's hard to know. It's not hard, so it's stuff called firm. Yes. I almost do it, so
Oh, Alien, I love that movie. I saw that when I was 7 years old and I was so terrified by that movie. But I love that movie and all Alien movies. There's so many that little islands here. So yeah, kind of sad that today's I'm streaming so boring stuff.
Okay, it's part of your work. It's okay. Oh, not found her. Okay, so if I don't know, if you want to have a rest, I can switch to Felix or
as you will. If you want to switch, you can switch me. I will continue doing my viz, and you probably will go to me when.
Okay, so for a few minutes, or maybe longer, I go to Alex. Yeah, thank you, Ruto, very much.
Thank you very much. Sorry for me laughing to
okay.
I'm sorry for
funny.
that.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, hello, Felix. So, I'm not a hard working. I like this work, talking with you. So, here is Felix's screen. Here you can see his face. Cat Felix. And this is concept art. Felix working on this concept art of our firm, as I said. And I must tell you what is actually is, what it will be. It will be some, I don't know, some stuff. Yeah, Felix Viking, just like a horror, and even Hvast are Viking in our team. Yep. So this happened. Please wait a second. Okay, so this firm, it actually think with will plant grass and bushes. So our worker drones will plant trees, and after tree they will plant these farms, and they will rounding and plant some grass and bushes. So it's really very interesting stuff, because we're thinking, how can we, oh sorry for this guy, for that guy. Yeah, so this is full screen. Oh, okay. Yeah, see you later. Thank you very much for watching us. It's really important. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, I'm like, okay. See you later. Have a good luck. And yeah, but it's a nice idea to do something, you know, round with we're moving and planting something, because we're really thinking so long how to do it, how to make it all this grass, all these luscious plants, and we find this idea. Actually, I don't know the author of this idea, but it's amazing for me. It's like a shower, you know. Yeah, it feels like really a real shower. Would help you and all the stuff that you want. I like watching. I really like watching how Felix working on this art, this concept art, you know. And what about you? Do you like watching all this art stuff? Oh, please write me something in comments, because it seems like I'm talking with myself and getting insane. Please don't give it with me. Oh, you're here. Oh, thank you, Ruta, for supporting me. I very appreciate it. Thank you. Dear viewers, do you like this concept art? WIP concept art? I like it. And of course, you can join us in the social networks and and actually write to us, asking us wherever you want. It's really important. What I can tell you, interest. Anything? Felix want to add here something. Oh, well, what's that? Just deleting it. Okay. Like this. What interesting you have today? Do you like what we're doing here? Nobody actually knew. Okay. How's your day going on? What's interesting you can go to? And of course, don't forget to join us in Discord, because there we have so many nice information. So chill stream now. Okay. Finger, are you here, admin mod? Are you here? The bug, Mike Murphy. Okay, guys. Okay, well, so where and left us with the screen, we can go to Ruto. Hi Ruto, you're with us.
I'm here. Hi again.
Yeah.
So I've been.
So now you're
Sorry.
playing with these puzzles. Yeah.
Yes, I'm doing the same thing. So yeah, and now after I duplicated my spikes so many times, I haven't duplicated them yet, but I will do that later. I got so much free space in 1K. Yes, in 1K texture, so I think there will be still some free space, and I could probably fit here part from some other object, from other asset. Now I'm getting some weird idea, I don't know, weird thought in my head, that we did drone, and it's now it's
Yeah.
empty inside, it's dead inside. So I'm thinking about if I will get some free space in here, for instance. I probably can fit texture from. I haven't modeled it yet. Haven't modeled reactor yet, but I will model reactor for drone eventually, at some point, and I probably could fit it here if I will get some space. If I will get some space left here. Just, you know, just my thought, and yes, I need to think about it. I don't know, is it good or bad to fit, you know,
It's okay.
sorry, oh, I had
Oh,
headache today.
it's bad.
I don't know, is it good or bad to fit in one texture different objects. I don't know about that, but just I need to think about it. While I will think about it, I can fit here all that small pieces like that, and yes, we will get even more free space, like fit here, or like, I don't know, somewhere around here, there, and we got plenty of space. So I hope it will work, and it will work, and it's probably will be better for performance. I'm not just playing that game, and see if you're bored, you can.
No, it's okay with me.
You can say me where
Okay.
put next island. So main rule of that, I should have free space somewhere around here, in that corner. So more space we got here, better in better situation we will be.
I will help you with this.
No, I'm not asking. No, it's not like helping. It's just, you know, we're in. Imagine we playing some weird game. Yes.
Okay. So yeah, I put here. When I was a small girl, my grandfather told me, you know, to help him to ask, and he asking me where should he put something, you know, like, I don't know, some instruments or some stuff for building or just like that. And I like that game.
Yeah. Where would you suggest to
That?
put
Oh,
that types? I'm thinking about
here?
somewhere here.
Maybe higher in a 0, 0. Yeah.
Do you mean
And you will
in
have
that way?
some free space there if you put it in a corner. Yeah, just like that.
Let's test that.
Or it's a bad idea, tell me please.
We will see. I don't think so.
Second please. Okay, sorry for this. I'm just wondering if I'm not hungry. Oh, it's lovely by your boss. So good person. Yeah. Yeah, just put it here. Feel myself like a boss. Oh yeah, art director.
Art
Just
director.
like that. And you can put all these details here and save that places empty. Yep. Okay, I believe in you. But it really looks a bit hard. No, it's hard, but you know, to put everything and don't take that corner.
I don't think we are so restricted to, you know, to save
Yes?
space.
But okay.
We should save some space, but you know, it's not like we will punish.
No,
if,
of course, I know it.
I'd say, you know, again, step on some on that tile here.
Yeah, I understand it. But you know, if someone punished us, we will walk in more quicker, I guess, and more better, and be more concentrated on something, or we have some punishment of this.
Probably. So we're really getting some real free
What?
space.
Can you please repeat?
We really
it's
getting
nice.
free space here.
Mm-hmm.
Probably can see it here. So I think we probably can put. I don't know. I just assuming that we could fit here minion in the future.
And you think be not? Oh, this space will be normal for minion.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh.
So let's see if we able to fit couple
Okay.
more islands here. I even putting more space
Yeah, between all of this.
more padding between islands. Last time I tried to maintain 12 pixels, so each that square is 4 pixels, as you can see, and here we got 16 pixels. That's quite nice padding, and yeah, it's cool to have that.
Oh, yeah. I can think.
Okay, we need. I think we should move something somewhere. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Probably like this.
Oh, okay. Do that. You like
I
it?
don't like that. Ah,
You watch it.
I think I will just do it in 2 rows. I don't like
Yeah. Oh.
this space. Yeah, unwrapping hell. But we almost finished. We got only small pieces. Let's just feed them all here. I will try to put similar islands together. Looking forward to finish that. I will just put them anywhere they will fit. I will not bother myself with placing similar islands. It's too boring. If I was not on stream, I probably will, you know, do that in all OCD friendly. Just because I don't know.
And what she will do next after that?
Next, I think I'm gonna do after that. I will bake touches. You saw that yesterday. I performed some test bakes, but today I will do production bakes, and before production bakes I will do couple test bakes. and after I will be ready to do production breaks. I think we should
Okay,
probably
sure.
switch to someone else because it's a long process and takes some time. Even for me, I can do nothing while baking.
Okay, let's. Not now, yeah.
Not right now.
Later. I'm just thinking who to switch. Our question, you know.
If we, I think we probably shouldn't switch to someone else. I think I can do test bake, and then we can do basic texturing.
Okay. No, I can't switch. It's all okay, but you know, I need to think. Now I think that we can go to Felix. Now he's working on the concept arts. Everybody likes concept arts.
Concept art is so hard because so many repetitive tasks, like do concept in that view, do concept in that view, and you're trying to draw same thing in different angles.
Yes, definitely understand you, and it's all must be in your mind.
Yeah, for me, I think it's a challenging discipline of art.
Yeah.
Yes, Dave, you leave and there is silence right now. There's a couple reasons because silence here. First reason, I'm doing UVs.
Yeah.
As you can see.
It was silence. Don't go. Stay with us. Okay, how are you? Yeah, you see. We're working on a UV. You see UV. Oh, as you can see, nice. I think very soon we'll be ready our UV and Ruta baked our crepe, so it's amazing. Oh, it's amazing!
So amazing, so exciting.
UV, UV. We. Oh, so you add all these parts, yep, all the small pieces. Okay.
Almost
Three.
all of them.
3 little pieces.
think I know where I will fit them. Right here. I know it's probably bad that I'm placing that pieces so far from other ones. But they will fit here, and I will occupy that space. So, finished with that. We got quite large a piece of free space. What I'm gonna do right now, I will duplicate that. Why they so? What is that? I
Look
never
at
saw
that.
it before. I'm clicking.
Oh my gosh, what is that? Funny.
I know why.
I never seen like something like that.
And that was caused because already duplicated pieces here, and now I think if I will go back to UVs, we will see that I deleted duplicates and we have even more free space.
Funny.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Easy.
Alright.
Whee!
Yay! Free space for everyone!
Space for you,
Whee!
and for you, and for you. Oh, wait, right.
For everyone! Where
What you
fit
done for
little
me?
piece? I'm trying to fit that piece somewhere. Just leave it here probably.
Yeah, it's sad.
So,
It's
duplicate.
really sad. But I think it's not 19 live. That's so boring. Actually, we have 31 likes. It's all information. And even in Instagram we have 20 likes for one post, so I don't know what you want. It's all okay.
Okay, I think
I sent you a link of our
mistake.
page.
Okay, I think I did mistake here, and I shouldn't delete spikes over here because now I can duplicate them. I need to place them, and to fix that issue I will add our head
no.
once again from previous file. And what I'm gonna do?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
So that is here, that is here, and that they will be deleted. That will be deleted. Your modifier will be deleted. That piece will be deleted. Okay. Now I got my spikes back, but I need to arrange them on UV space again. And they duplicated. Why?
Oh, I don't know.
So select all objects except that, and let's check textile densities.
Oh, nice. I just reading some comments.
What? Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what me? Not funny. I'm graduated college and I'm actually younger specialist and I can work and yeah, story about university and I'm just yesterday go to university. Yep, so now I'm a student second time and yeah, I'm not going school, I'm over in school after 9 classes, after 9 forms, and I was about 14 or 15. So. Yeah, so now I'm going to the university. Yeah, you know, here in Ukraine we go to college after 9 form, and I go to school very early, in 5 years old, and I'm graduate college 4 years. I'm studying in college, and now I go to university. Yeah. In Ukraine, we have weird stuff with education, so yeah, just like that, because you know I don't have a point to stay in school and study over. Yeah, we too. Almost all couples start study when they're just 8 years old. Oh! It's like, you know, we have... Oh, okay. Yeah. In Ukraine we have different system, you know. We don't study so long. First, 4 forms when you're 6 years old, and then you know, like middle school about 4 year, and high school it's about 4 5 year middle school and 2 year of high school, and then we go to university and you can go to college after the middle school. I just forget how to call it. Let's be middle school. I go to college because I don't want to stay at school. I don't like that system. I don't like my classmates, and I think that I can be big girl, go to college, grab some money, because I don't pay for my studying in college, so I was, oh, please give me a second. No, I have many friends in the school, but I don't like that girls very, so I just don't like half of my classmates. I don't be, some bad girl, or I never, you know, I never was bullying or something like that. Nobody's bullying me or nothing like that. But I don't like it because they was very, actually some of them bullying another children and like that. When we get older, I just don't like it, and was for me definitely wrong. And I even don't talk with them. Yeah. Oh, it's just a school. Lots of people don't like school. Oh, the best place. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. Okay, sure,
As you
sure.
can see, I'm redoing all that almost from scratch because
You start.
I rescaled again my islands. It's almost from scratch, but not exactly. Just
Okay, so
changes.
maybe I switch to someone else. But
If you want to switch to someone else, you switch.
let's go to, for a few seconds. Let's go to Felix and watch what he's doing. Yeah, now he are working on a concept art. And I like. So, as we can. So, oh, where is this? Really, what is this? So let's go to Harvard, yep, and see what he. Hello, hello, Harvard. You're still with us.
Hi. Yep. I'm still working on this minions new behavior, and probably I'm tired because I can't finish it. Boat cargo destroyed. Cargo destroyed, or cargo is picked up. Need to call cargoes, attach detectors, and remove all these minions from it. Yeah, I have made a lot since I was streaming.
Oh yeah, really?
There are still some issues.
Oh, nice.
Hope I can fix everything until the end of this stream, but not sure. Once 3 minions attached to this. What's wrong with the third one? Third one is not mode. Once 3 minions attached to cargo, they destroy it.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like we're destroying function called before was attached actually. To do more debug.
Debug.
Debug. Right. Let's see. Where is this attached first before they kill cargo.
Hello.
Hello.
Друзья. Oh, thank you very much, друг. Oh, thank you for your supporting. Actually, I don't know. I'm tired too, but just a little. I put off my headphones. What?
Weird.
Oh.
Talking with myself.
Yeah.
Let's manually remove all these minions. Oh yeah, I see. This minion cannot be removed because we are on this class. Or can it be? Let's set lifespan instead. And let's set its lifespan to 0.1, 0.1, which means it will be destroyed, but a bit later. Let's do some debug. Hello.
Oh, hello. Yes, he's back. Oh yeah.
Now it works.
Oh.
Alright, more debug.
Oh.
They destroyed it. Magic. Okay. Now the question is, why they still trying to attack empty drop pods?
Yeah.
Probably because of interface. I used wrong interface entity. So again. Oh, they don't want to attack anything. Guys, come on, what's wrong with you?
Yeah. It's
Oops. Yeah. I'm so tired. Come on.
Oh.
It's a carousel.
Карусель, карусель.
Random. Random number. Why not? All minions work as random. I can't predict what they want to do, how they attack, and how they attach to objects. Should not be attacking anyone else if they are already attached to something. They stick to drop pod. Nothing should remove them from it. Come on. I have no idea what's happening now. If cargo is picked up, we need to release those minions or destroy them. Or we can't pick up cargo if minions are on it. Lasers, no lasers, just debug lines. These guys don't want to touch properly. Right. To focus on this. I would like to talk in chat, but I have no time. Okay, spawning this stuff. These two guys were attached.
No, it's all okay, cause I'm just
dead.
reading comments and trying to understand what you want to say. It's all okay. I'm normal. You know, today I need to go for 15 minutes earlier, so I don't deserve.
She's free, she's free. She
You
may
know,
go away.
you know, like a dove. Shoo, 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 fly away, fly away. I don't like doves. Right? Oh, okay.
Only somebody pushed me away. Still have no
Okay.
idea why they attached
Yeah, really?
some random
Misplaced.
positions.
Oh, oh my gosh, it's so loud. Advertisement. Oh, oh, it was too loud. Oh my gosh. My right ear. So painful. Okay, after the work, I will play. I made some bookmark. I'll play it. Thank you.
Yeah, new game.
What stories you want to hear from me? I know it's cause you boys talking in a chat and hard. It's all okay with me actually. What you want to hear? Maybe horror talk? I can spoke with you Ukrainian. I don't know, I have an accent or not? Actually, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. First kiss. What a fight? Oh. Actually, I'm really nervous, girl, and if I don't like something, I tell it. If I really don't like, and when I was in school, there was one boy, really very, rude, and he all the time, tell something about me, my friends, just like that. And I think that I'm brave little girl. I was really brave little girl. I come to him and had him in a joke, and it was first time, and the second time I crush his nose and some blood, and in the juice, some blood on the lips, and yeah, but I tell him that I don't want to trouble guy you, it just you. Yeah, I done talking about, and I just punch him. That's all. Hori sarai hori khatam. Yeah, but I'm really quiet. I'm talkative, but I'm quiet and don't like to get some troubles, and I'm go everybody to tell everybody not to get in trouble. Okay, I guess you like my story about my fights. Okay, I'll be quiet.
And I forgot that I'm streaming. Sorry, I'm sitting in silence.
It's okay, I'm
Yeah.
stories.
No
Now
good
your
stories from
turn.
me right now.
No. Tell us something. Tell us
Mine?
about Vietnam.
No.
I can tell you about me.
No.
Oh.
I can tell you about minions. Stupid minions.
I have trouble with my shoulder.
It changed the target. Why? Tell me why, guy. Why get close to it? Changes. Changes target. Of course it does. This is an error.
Oh, you find it.
Can you see the error? No, probably not.
No, I don't see.
The issue is that didn't wait for checking some crucial flag. Starting doing some changes. Same moment. Even that. Now everything should become normal. So. So this guy's sitting on the top of this pyramid and do nothing else.
What?
Visual scripting. It's called Blueprints in Unreal Engine. And the first time I saw it, I also thought, wow, how people can work on it, because it's completely mess. You can see, oh, it's quite easy, but you can see what the hell is this? But then you become familiar with it. All right, you can see a flow of things. Here. It's like an update. It's a cycle. When cycle is finished, it goes there, and also has very cool visual. Let me just find something which I can show you. For example, this tick. I put a branch on it. Oh, it's not visible. And it also displays a full full path of nodes, how it goes between nodes. I have no idea why it doesn't show it right now. Yeah, Blender nodes. Unreal has a lot of different type of nodes. For example, materials. To find any material. Materials really close to Blender materials. You can see we put input as texture or parameter, which is kind of texture sample, and then we can get some math and to make it better. It's like shading. Here you can write a custom shader. You can then use it in Unreal, and it's quite easy. But there are a lot of functions. I even don't know all of them. That's when you learn all of them, you become a master. And I guess nobody achieves that. Right. Few more tries, just to understand that everything works fine. We have 2 drop pods, we have lots of evil minions. huge amount of evil minions. Some of them decided to attack Dropwood, some of them decided to attack me. And if I take one of them, now I'm... What's happening with this one? They destroyed two of them. Now they attacked and destroyed me. Bastards. I need to create some callback function, setting it in timeout. Get away, get away.
No. Kill him. Or you can kill him.
Kill a doll.
Yeah, kill them all.
Where did it go?
Bugs.
More bugs. Oh no. Guys, I think that's all for today.
Yeah?
I'm giving up for today.
Okay. So, and
Probably
now
tomorrow
let's
I will just rewrite it completely. I have no idea what's happening here. And
So, thank you
maybe
all.
not. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you
Thanks
tomorrow.
guys. Thanks for watching us.
Thank
Well,
you so
welcome
much.
on stream, new followers,
Yeah, thank you
new
very
active
much.
chatters. It was nice to talk to you all.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you very much. We hope that you like our stream. Go back to see us tomorrow. We all love you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a good luck and take care of you. Lots of kisses. It was, of course, in the description of this video. We have link. I told about it. Oh, I told about it. Okay, so thank you very much all. We really love you very much. So
Bye.
bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, see you next time. Oh, love.